Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Adhay. I want to give a huge shout out to AshleyLeeCosmetics for sending me some of her products that I used in this video, giving you some first impressions, and also give you my honest opinion about it. And if you want to see how I achieved this look, or you want to see it for the products solely, I suggest you keep on watching. So let's get started. First of all, let's see what she gave me. Some foundation, compact powder, some lipstick, liquid lipstick, and lip gloss, nail polishes. Yes, this girl has everything going. And did I mention very affordable? So I'm excited to try them out and give you honest opinion. She also gifted me some brushes, which I will try to incorporate in for today. Give you guys an overall review. Look at this. This is super pretty. This is a palette, eyeshadow palette. She also gave me some lipsticks and sponges and this little cute bag. Okay, and also right here, some concealer. First of all, let's talk about this eyeshadow palette. This is something I've never seen before. Now, if we open, it is filled with a bunch of colors, a good range of purples and pinks. So I want to do something within the purple family unless I change my mind, but for now I want to do something with the purple. So I'm going to use my P. Louise base because this is what I always have been using for the past. And if I want to see how it works, I want to make sure that I use it with products that I'm already used to. I'm going to use their brush, this one right over here. Let me see, handle made with eco-friendly degradable wheat straw. Oh, interesting. Perfect for shading and blending eyeshadows. Bamboo shaped handle is lightweight and easy grip. So it is eco-friendly. We all want that. Now I'm gonna go in with my transition color. I don't know if I want to add it with this brush because it went a little everywhere. So I'm gonna use one of mine. So I'm gonna use this one, and I really want to do teal because the teal looks very nice, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna go first with this shade right over here. Oh yes, look at that pigmentation, you guys. I'm started off with a smaller blending brush. I'm depositing the color first and then I'll blend it. Well, I couldn't speak, but I did add a darker purple, and that's the darkest purple that this palette has. To add some depth, this palette doesn't have a deeper purple, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create my own by adding a dark brown to that purple that I just added and creating some depth around it. So I'm gonna use this brown right here, right there, and maybe a little bit of black, but not sure. No, I think I'm gonna go with black just to add a tiny bit of depth onto. Unfortunately, I had to use my own foundation because their foundation, the foundation that they did send me, was quite light for me. I really wished I could have tried their foundation. So what I'm doing is I'm first applying a coat of my personal one, which is the foundation that I use during the summer. So it's a little bit tan than the rest of my body. So I'm going to mix in their foundation, and the foundation that they sent me closest to my skin tone was nude beige, but it's still light. So, you see, it's a little lighter. The foundation seems pretty good. It's more of a sheer to medium coverage, I would say. Have in mind, I did have my foundation underneath, so it's helping with the coverage. But I seriously wish I could have tried it on its own. Now I'm going with my concealer, and they did send me two concealers, Almond Brown and Vanilla Cream. Almond Brown is closest to my skin complexion, so that is what I will use. It is a rosy undertone, but it will cancel out, balance out, because I do have a little bit of dark circles. It is Longwear liquid concealer. I would say so far what I'm as I'm adding, it's not full coverage, so it is very forgiving under the eye. It is extremely hydrating. It would be great for people with dry skin. Look at that, it's so pretty. Just to brighten it up a tiny bit more underneath my eye, I'm gonna add a little bit of my NARS, just a tiny bit in the inner corners. There you go. That's all that I'm gonna use. I really don't know how this foundation will function, so I have to make sure that I do set it, since it, like I said, the foundation seems to be very hydrating. So I'm oily, so I don't know if it will move around throughout the day. Should have added a green under here. Powdered like with a teal. See? Oh, nice. I'm gonna add a little touch. I really liked how the teal came out, so I'm gonna add a little touch of it on the outer corners and inner corners, because this teal is so pretty. Oh my gosh, just a twist. Look at that. So I added this one. I really like it. I'm trying to be very careful because it does have some fallout. I did do some last minute changes. I added some teal onto my shadow, which mixed in with the purple and turned it a little bit of a blue hue to it. So but this part right here, I really wanted it to pop out, so I added some eyeshadow base and made it pop out like that. So oh yeah, this is gonna be too light for me. I do see that the foundation, even though it says it's a neutral, it did oxidize very pink. Some color back. Wow, I'm never disappointed with these lashes. This brand is legit. Lip balm some, girl, I see you. So this is the end result, you guys. I hope you liked it. It at first find a little bit surprising because the pigment of a certain eyeshadow, which was a purple, wasn't picking up, wasn't depositing, so I was a little bummed there, but I still try to make it work. Then as you could see, I did try on their foundation. I have some of it because I put a layer of my foundation underneath. You guys know why. The foundation that they sent me unfortunately was a little too light for me, and I was having a hard time with the purple eyeshadow to deposit, and I was feeling a little bummed because I was actually very excited about all the colors in there. And I was previously going to use a teal shadow in there, but I didn't end up doing it just because I felt it was going to be a little too overwhelming. But at the end, once I thought I was done with all my eyes, as you guys could see, I decided to add a little twist to the eyeshadow that I had going on, and I was a little scared because I didn't know how it was going to turn out, and I didn't want to just ruin everything. But I added that teal color that was getting my attention right off the bat. Oh my gosh, it was so different compared to the purple one. The pigmentation was there. It applied like butter. So now I'm even more excited to try the rest of the colors. Didn't get to use this brush, but oh my god, it is super soft. I'm not even joking. I'm not exaggerating. Compare this to this. This is super soft. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you. And if you haven't yet, go check out my birthday vlog in my vlogging channel. I will link it down below just in case if you're curious to see how that went down. It definitely was lit. That being said, bye. This is my favorite part.
TLC, you wanna creep and shit. Poured out my whole heart to a piece of shit. Man, I thought you would keep in contact with certain exes. Do you though? Trust me, nigga, it's cool though. Said that you was working, but you out here chasing culo and boo.